Stephanie Mills. It's gonna be awesome. So this is the outfit that I am wearing. Just this top. It's supposed to be an all black affair, but this is gray. This is gray and black, but it's all the same, neutral. And then just these black pants. This was from Fashion Nova. These were from JCPenney, I believe. This little necklace is from Icing. Just that little spot in the mall where everybody goes to get their ears pierced, I believe. And then I'm not sure which shoes, so I may do these because it has this little detail. Or I may just do these, but I'm not sure. And then just my watch, my bracelets, and then my hoop earrings. And that's it. So let me go ahead and jump in the shower, and then I'll start doing my makeup. So these are the two shoes, and I'm still not sure which one I want to do. I was going to go with these just because of the little detail in the front, but I don't know. Let me go ask my husband. Here is the final look. I don't know if you can see. Nope, because it's dark. Well, it's getting dark. So, oh, can you see my necklace? Very cute, very cute. And I went with these shoes. So of course I will be taking flats, but I will try to get some footage if I can of the concert. Have a great day. Be productive. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Everybody know there's an after party, the official after party. I will be DJing tonight, right up there where those lights are. So hopefully you guys will hang out a little bit longer. But come on in, grab a seat, because I'm about to bring up the first act. Are y'all ready for some very sexy R&B?
We had an argument, you told me you love me. All the reasons I said I never I didn't mean to make you cry. I didn't mean to make you say bye. Baby, won't you let me look inside your soul? Come satisfy your boy or two, yeah. Baby, don't be shy, cause I'm not judging you. I'm coming for your love, so let me do. Cause I'm talking about some things you could do. I never felt like this before. Now I don't need it more. Since you came to my suddenly the raindrops that fall, they have been sprinkling the sea, makes it all clean. Oh, baby, there's a chance for me to go back now that I have some direction. Maybe there's a chance for me with you, yeah, baby. You don't put down the dead and the light. Do what I wanna do. You, yeah, girl. Don't tell me now, baby, that I think you're trying to play hard to get, girl. Open up my body, girl. In the middle of the night, you make my box beating for you, baby. Gotta call you and let you know what I'm feeling, baby. 911-0024. Baby, need you emergency. I'm calling, got it out the wall. Won't you like it if I lay? If I lay you down. If I was to set you down. Take me my love and help, just think you live me.